Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make circle path animation in After Effects. First, open After Effects and create a new composition, perhaps with a duration of 10 seconds. Next, select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and draw a perfect circle while holding down the Shift key. This creates a new shape layer. Finally, center the anchor point of your circle layer using the pan behind tool for precise animation control. Now, let's animate the circle's path. Expand your shape layer and add a Trim Paths operator from the Add menu. This powerful tool allows you to reveal or hide parts of a path. Set a keyframe for the end property at 0% at the start of your timeline, then move forward 2 seconds and set another keyframe at 100%. This will draw your circle. To make your animation look more professional, select your keyframes in the timeline and apply Easy Ease interpolation. This creates a smoother acceleration and deceleration. For a dynamic trailing effect, offset the Start Properties keyframes by about 1 second after the End Properties keyframes. Don't forget to adjust the stroke width and color in the Shape Layers properties to match your project's aesthetic. For more advanced circle animations, try duplicating your animated circle layer multiple times. You can then offset their timings or adjust their sizes for a layered look. Consider using simple expressions, like time *50, on rotation properties for continuous spinning. Another great option is adding a repeater to your shape layer, which can generate many copies of your circle with customizable transformations, creating intricate patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.